I know you had an instructor at some point that told you the last thing you ever want to say is "this paper argues." Hi, my name's Greg Jackson. I'm a UVU professor of integrated studies and national security and the creator of the podcast History That Doesn't Suck. And today, I'd like to talk to you about writing a kick-ass thesis. First, just be clear. I know you had an instructor at some point that told you the last thing you ever want to say is "this paper argues." Now, I mean nothing but respect and love to your hard-working 8th or 10th grade English teacher. But that's a great phrase. Whether you want to say "this paper argues," "this essay contends," or anything to that effect, that's what I do as a professional writer. That's what the authors of the many books overflowing on my shelves at home or in my university office all do. So how on earth that is not a good way for you to write, I don't get. Now, I understand if you have to play the game with a certain instructor, but just remember, that's the clarity that you're going for. Second to that, don't forget to tell your reader how on earth you're going to actually prove your thesis. In other words, state the organization of the paper, whether you do that within the same sentence or in the second sentence, as a thesis is typically a one-sentence elevator pitch for the whole paper. So for instance, let's say I was going to write a ridiculous paper on the awesomeness of soda. I might say something to the effect of, "This essay argues that soda is awesome. And this will be demonstrated by first considering its carbonated deliciousness and second, its sweet, sweet, sugary flavors." Well, now I know this paper is going to talk about soda. It says it's awesome. It's going to have a big subsection on carbonation and then another subsection on flavor. That's how it's done. Just be clear and you'll be all right.